Hello learners, this is Assistant Professor Komal Shivaji Ambore, the Education Faculty of Institute of Distance and Open Learning under an umbrella of University of Mumbai. I welcome you in the second session of Teacher Education subject of MA Education Semester 2. In this video, we are going to understand about teacher education. The first point in this, its meaning, then second is the need of modern education system, and the third is scope in 21st century modern education system, which we are going to see in brief. Teacher education refers to the process of preparing individuals to become teachers. It encompasses the academic and practical components required for teaching, including teaching methodologies, curriculum development, lesson planning, assessment and evaluation, and classroom management. Teacher education program provides prospective teachers with the necessary knowledge and skills to be effective educators. Teacher education can take place at various levels such as undergraduate, graduate or postgraduate, depending on the requirements of educational system. Teacher education program often include supervised teaching experiences in real classrooms, which allow prospective teachers to apply what they have learned and gain practical teaching experience under the guidance of experienced teachers. Ongoing professional development is also a critical component of teacher education. It involves continuous learning and improvement throughout a teacher's career to stay current with the latest teaching practices and advancement in education. Teacher education programs and professional development opportunities can help teachers enhance their teaching skills, stay motivated, and adapt to changes in the educational landscape. Overall, teacher education plays a crucial role in preparing teachers to become effective educators who can inspire and engage students in the learning process. Teacher education is crucial in modern education systems for several reasons. The first reason, developing effective teaching skills. Teacher education program helps prospective teachers develop the knowledge, skills, and attitude necessary to become effective teachers. These programs provide teachers with a range of teaching methodologies, assessment and evaluation, techniques, and classroom management strategies that help them to engage and motivate students. The second reason, addressing changing educational needs. The modern education system is constantly evolving, and teacher education programs can help teachers stay up to date with the latest educational practices and technology. Teachers need to adapt to the changing educational landscape to ensure that they are meeting the needs of their students. The third reason, preparing teachers for diverse classrooms. The modern classroom is diverse in terms of students' backgrounds, abilities, and learning styles. Teacher education programs help teachers to understand and appreciate diversity and develop strategies to address the needs of all learners. The fourth reason is promoting lifelong learning. Teacher education programs promote the importance of lifelong learning among teachers. Professional development opportunities can help teachers stay current with the latest teaching practices and develop new skills that can enhance their teaching and benefit their students. The fifth reason is improving students' outcomes. Effective teacher education program can improve students' outcome by preparing teachers to be more effective educators. When teachers are well trained and equipped with the necessary skills, they can inspire and engage students in the learning process and help them achieve their full potential. Overall, teacher education is essential in modern education systems to ensure that teachers are equipped with the knowledge, skills, and attitudes necessary to be effective educators who can meet the diverse needs of their students. Now moving to the next, the scope of teacher education in the 21st century modern education system is broad and diverse. Here are some key areas where teacher education plays a crucial role. We will see it one by one. The first one is technology integration. With the rapid development of technology, teacher education programs need to prepare teachers to use technology effectively in their classroom. Teachers need to be trained to integrate technology into their teaching to improve students' engagement and learning outcomes. The second one is inclusive education. 21st century education system promotes inclusive education that caters to the needs of the student, including those with disabilities learning difficulties or from different cultural and linguistic backgrounds. Teacher education programs need to train teachers to work with diverse students population and provide support to students who need it. The third one, curriculum development. With the increasing complexity of the curriculum, teacher education programs need to provide teachers with the necessary skills to design, develop, and implement effective curricula that meet the needs of their students. The fourth one, assessment and evaluation. Teacher education programs need to equip teachers with the skills and knowledge to assess and evaluate students' learning outcomes effectively. Teachers need to be able to use the range of assessment methods to evaluate students' learning and provide feedback to their students. The fifth one is professional development. Professional development is an essential aspect of teacher education in the 21st century. Teachers need to be lifelong learners and teacher education program need to provide opportunities for teachers to engage in ongoing professional development to stay up to date with the latest educational process. Overall, the scope of teacher education in the 21st century education system is vast and varied, covering a range of areas that are essential for effective teaching and learning. Teacher education programs need to keep pace with the changing educational landscape and provide teachers with the necessary skill, knowledge, and attitude to be effective educators in the 21st century. So in this part of video, we have understood the meaning of teacher education, the need of modern education system, and the scope in 21st century modern education system. Thank you.